Today we are making organic Mexican-style brown rice casserole. This is a Weight Watchers dish, but I've adapted it organic and I've also adapted it vegan. So you're gonna start with 1 cup of dry brown rice, which is going to puff up to 4 cups, all right? So I got this at Harris Teeter. We're using brown basmati rice, and I just used 1 cup. You can either put it in a rice cooker if you don't have that. Your pressure cooker works really good making rice. It always seems to come out the way you want it to. Otherwise, I don't know about you, but when I've tried it on the stove, it's finicky. So that's gonna give you 4 cups cooked, all right? And to that, you're gonna add 1.5 cups of salsa. I got this organic salsa from Whole Foods. And then you're gonna add a teaspoon of organic cumin, which I got from Aldi. So you mix all that together and we're gonna portion out 2 cups and we are going to put that down at the bottom of our sprayed pan. I'm using a 9x9, but you could use a 13x9 inch pan, whatever size pan you want to, but a 9x9 is a pretty good size for this dish and for the amount of food, all right? Because it's going to layer like a casserole. So we're gonna put 2 cups down, make sure you spray it, go ahead and preheat your oven to 375, and then we are gonna start with the other portion of the mixture. You are going to use a can of refried organic beans. All right, I got those from Harris Teeter as well, organic refried beans. A can of organic corn, drained, is gonna get added to that. And then a can of tomatoes with diced green chilies, all right? These are a little spicy, so just beware. You're gonna maybe wanna eat this with sour cream. If you don't like a lot of spicy stuff, you'll want something to counterbalance that. But your diced tomatoes with green chilies go in. You don't have to drain those. And then you are going to use a tablespoon of organic chili powder. So my chili powder goes in and I'm just gonna mix all of that together, and that is gonna go down on top of my 2 cups of rice mixture that I put down as my first layer. All right, so this will be my second layer, and then I will top it again with the rest of the rice. My first layer is down of my rice and salsa and cumin mixture, and I'm actually adding the spinach. The recipe tells you to put your refried bean, corn, chili mixture down and then a layer of spinach, but I like to actually mix it in for a couple reasons. One, any way that I can sneak good healthy vegetables into meals where my kids don't really notice that they're there is always a good thing. Also, the spinach doesn't really have a lot of flavor, so it will pick up the flavor of the chili powder that I put in here, the chili, the diced tomatoes and chilies, and so I sneak it in there so they're less likely to notice that it's there. So I mix it all together and then we're gonna put down layer 2. And layer 2 is down and I am topping the very top with the rest of my rice mixture. So I'm gonna spread this out. At this point, you could, if you wanted to, put some cheese on it, all right? I'm not doing that because I'm doing vegan, or you could do vegan cheese. So you could absolutely top this with some cheese, serve it topped with some sour cream, some avocado. If you have leftovers from this, you could always throw some into a tortilla, and have it for lunch. So there's all kinds of options, but this is a great, yummy, vegan Weight Watchers dish that allows you to get lots of vegetables, and it's only 8 points. So I'll show you the finished product when it's done. It is done, it's ready. It took 30 minutes on 375, but it turned out perfect. It smells delicious. I'm gonna top mine with some vegan sour cream, but like I said, top this with sour cream, some cheese, some avocado, whatever you want, but there's your Mexican style brown rice, vegan and organic Weight Watcher recipe.